Please, Mom. Don't put that thing on my face. Don't put me in the dark. I was afraid of the dark.
В камине в 6 утра.
All right.
Фотография твоя. Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра. Разбитая душа. И все твои обещания пустота.